Hey everybody, it's your boy here, unofficially Trini. You're probably wondering why I am wearing this hoodie. Well, it is snowing. I don't know if you can see how big these snowflakes are, but pretty big. Right now it's about 34 degrees outside, which is about 1.7 degrees Celsius. Boy, this will really cause you to miss Trinidad. I don't know if any of you have ever been over here when it snowed, but it is freezing. It's just like being inside of a refrigerator, if that gives you any idea how cold it is. So right now you can see not a whole lot on the ground, but just enough to make it really, really cold outside. Gonna take a little walk here. I'm actually right on the side of the road, so you probably hear some cars going by. Here comes one. There he goes. This is kind of all I really need. I know a lot of people wear really, really heavy coats and stuff like that, but once you're walking and everything, you don't really need it. More cars coming. I'm sure you all know that everybody drives on the wrong side of the road here. You know what I mean. Come some more. There's the ground right now. Just a light, we call it a light dusting. It's not really much of an accumulation. We have probably about 1/4 of an inch, not even that, maybe 1/8 of an inch. But one of the things that they do here, I'm not sure if you can see this or not, but what they'll do is they will salt the roads ahead of time. And basically, we just have big trucks that sprinkle salt along the roadway. And what that does is it causes the snow to melt. And that's why you see all this water right here. So, pretty interesting. If you've never seen snow, which if you've been in Trinidad your whole life, you've probably only seen it on the TV. From an American to my brothers and sisters in Trinidad, you're not missing anything. Unless you like living inside of a refrigerator. That's kind of what it feels like. Actually, when I go to work, sometimes what I'll do is I'll pack my lunch, and when it's cold out,